In this video, I'm going to show you how you can embed your Google Calendar into Notion, and we're starting right now. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay part of the conversation. For free Notion templates, check out the link in the description below. In this example calendar, you can see I have a task, a reminder, an all-day task, and a task with a specific time. If we go into the Google Calendar settings of that specific calendar, then we go down to Integrate Calendar, you can see we come up with a load of different links. If you copy the top public link and paste that into Notion, it will actually come up as a bookmark, not an embed. This means if you click on the bookmark, it will take you to Google Calendar on your Chrome browser. And the same thing happens with the public links, because when you embed a Google Calendar into Notion, you need to set that calendar to public. So as you scroll up, you can see we're setting the calendar to public. This does mean other people can see this calendar, so make sure if you are sharing the calendar publicly and you are going to embed it into Notion, there isn't anything on the calendar you don't want to be able to be seen. Now when we go down and copy that public link and we paste it into Notion and we now use the embed, you can see it gives us an embed of that Google Calendar. You can then go on that embed option and make it bigger, wider, longer, etc. And you can see when you click on the tasks, you can actually see a couple of bits of information. You can interact with the calendar and go month by month. And you can look at a couple of different views, i.e. weekly, agenda, daily. But you can't actually edit Google Calendar from Notion. You would have to go to your Google Calendar to add an event or a task. You could use a couple of the other links if you just wanted the bookmark, but if you want to embed specifically into Notion, then you need to make sure the calendar is set to public and you're using the correct link, or you're using the link that will work in the embed option. When it comes to the aesthetics of Google Calendar in Notion, you can't actually change any of the settings from what I know, and when you compare Google Calendar to Notion, you might not actually want to embed Google Calendar into Notion, but if you're interested to learn more about Notion, check out this video over here and I'll see you there.